Hi everyone, I am Nahel. I study in there was a private school. First of all, I want to thank my parents and my beloved teachers who helped me learn such great things in this short time. Thank you. I realize it both you were such a huge influence on me this year. I am proud of you. I am proud of there was a private school. Now I am going to tell you the name of some what I have been learned. This is head. This is ear. This is eyebrow. This is eye. This is nose. This is montage. This is bed. This is teeth. This is chin. This is hand. This is leg. This is jacket. This is shirt. This is airplane. This is car. This is bus. This is helicopter. This is lion. This is horse. This is car. This is rat. This is zebra. This is rabbit. This is goose. This is tiger. This is three. This is cook. This is snake. This is monkey. This is boat. This is money. This is phone. This is pencil. This is book. This is banana. This is carrot. This is apple. This is orange. This is strawberry. This is earphones. This is tea. This is water. This is flower. This is notebook. This is earphone. Goodbye.